In this question, number of integral solutions of the equation, the expression equal to 1 is question. So in what all cases this equation holds true? So case 1, if my base value is not equal to 0, that is x square minus 10 is not equal to 0 and x square minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. Upon factorizing this, what will I get? So this can be written as what? X square minus 5x plus 2x minus 10 equal to 0. I can take an x common from the first two terms, so that is going to give me x minus 5, and a 2 common outside, it is going to give me an x minus 5, and x minus 5 taken common, it is going to give me x plus 2. So that means x equal to minus 2 or x equal to 5. We get two integral values. Now what will be case 2? Now case 2, what happens if my base value is equal to 1? So this will be what? X square is equal to 11, x is equal to square root of 11, which is going to give me plus root 11 or minus root 11, which is not an integral value. So these two values cannot be considered. Now case 3. In case 3, what happens if my base value is negative? X square minus 10 equal to a minus 1 and x square minus 3x minus 10. If it is even, then only this equation will hold true. It should be equal to 1. That means the exponent should be an even value. So then this case, x square minus 10 equal to minus 1. That makes x square to be a plus 9 and x is equal to square root of 9, which is going to be plus 3 or minus 3. So minus 2 and 5 plus 3 and minus 3, a total of 4 integers are possible for this equation to hold true. So the answer for this question is 4.